A couple days ago, we made the video how much money we make on YouTube, and this happened.
Okay.
That was really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh no, hopefully it did. Oh.
We were devastated because at that moment when that happened, we knew exactly how this file looks like. Let me show it to you. First you click the button and nothing is rolling. Then when you just open the file, there is nothing. This here is a file that works.
Okay, alright, here we go. We're gonna use...
And I want to show you in this video how you can possibly save your audio file using Reaper. I just want to show you in Audition how it looks like. And I know the situation. It is kind of scary when you think you have audio files recorded for so long and then you feel like, oh no, it's corrupted, it's gone. And then you have a hope, maybe it's an Audition too. And then you click here and there's nothing. Now let's go over to Reaper. And if you have never used Reaper before, go on the website, download it, try it out. You can always use the evaluation license, so it's free and it's incredibly powerful. It's such a great DAW, you can do so much. It already saved me so much time by chopping up sound samples. But now let's just drag and drop this file into Reaper. And here we have it. Now let's play it. You already see the difference, right? In Audition there was nothing. Here you see the WAV file.
Take, that was a kill take. Libby's audio is rolling.
We are rolling.
Is Marcel's audio rolling?
And when I heard Libby's voice, I was, yes, the file is there. But what you have to do now is, you also have to render the file out, and you can just click here on render. The file is selected. You can change the directory, and then all what you do is, let's just change it to the desktop. Oh. Let's call it Libby Audio. Now we render it out, 44.1, it's fine. But do you want to do mono? It's a mono file. And you see what's happening here? You can see the file. It's rendering out all 18 minutes. Now imagine you have to redo this. Ooh. Or imagine you have recorded somebody else and you're already home. It's very stressful. But if you have something like Reaper, it made us so happy that we could rescue this file. There you go. Now back. Let's see what happens. Let's check out the desktop. Libby Audio, let's play it.
Take, that was a kill take. Libby's audio is rolling.
We are rolling.
Is Marcel's audio rolling?
Yes. Here it is.
Okay, alright, let's clap.
And that's how you can rescue an audio file. Reaper is such a resilient program, and I hope that this video is helpful for you. It could save you a lot of time and energy, because we know how much stress it is if you have an audio file or a video file that is corrupted, that has the end of file information missing. So thank you so much for watching. If it was helpful, leave me a comment down below, give us a thumbs up. If you're more interested about field recording, traveling the world and sound, feel free to subscribe to our channel, because we have so much more to come. So thank you so much for watching, and we really hope to see you in our next video.